In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export content and data from HubSpot. We're going to focus on getting a clean backup of your CRM data, like contacts, companies, and deals, using HubSpot's built-in export tools. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own account. First, log into your HubSpot workspace and head over to the main navigation at the top. Look for the CRM section. Depending on your layout, you might see options like Contacts, Companies, or Deals in the main menu. Choose the object you want to export. For example, if you want a list of all your contact records, click on Contacts. Once you're on the object page, you'll see a table showing your records. This is what HubSpot calls a view. At the top right of this table, look for a button or drop-down labeled Table Actions. Go ahead and click on that. From the menu that appears, select Export View. This tells HubSpot you want to export whatever you're currently seeing in that table. Now, this next part is important if you want a proper backup. HubSpot will ask you what you want to include in the export. You'll see an option to include all properties. Make sure you select this. Choosing all properties ensures that every field associated with those records is pulled into your file, not just the handful of columns that are visible in your current view. This is especially useful if someone else set up your properties, or if you're planning a migration, analysis, or a safety backup. You may also be prompted to choose a file format, usually something like CSV or Excel. CSV is a great default choice because it works with most spreadsheet tools and import processes later on. Once you've made your selections and confirmed that all properties are included, click Export. HubSpot will start preparing your file in the background. For small exports, it might download immediately. For larger datasets, HubSpot may email you a secure download link instead. When the file is ready, download it and save it somewhere safe, like a dedicated backups folder on your computer or in your cloud storage. You can repeat this same process for other CRM objects, such as companies and deals. Just switch to the object you want, open Table Actions, select Export View, include all properties, and export. By following these steps consistently, you'll always have an up-to-date copy of your HubSpot CRM data ready for reporting, migration, or peace of mind.